Would you like to introduce yourself to our audience, right,
Yeah,
as to what your
definitely.
role is?
Hi, everyone. My name is Ram Trichur. I head the global semiconductor market strategy for Henkel Corporation.
So, coming to Henkel now, how would you explain your division solutions to a non-technical CEO of a customer firm who's interested only in numbers, profits, etc.?
Yeah. First, I would say Henkel is a trusted material partner that has both breadth and depth in the portfolio. We serve a wide variety of verticals: automotive, industrial, consumer electronics, communications, mobile communications, all that. And also, we have a large portfolio of materials covering family of adhesives, underfills, thermals. So with this, we offer them a complete solution to their manufacturing. And secondly, I would want to instill confidence in the CEO by saying that Henkel has been supporting electronics and semiconductor manufacturing for more than 50 years. And we have a global footprint, global manufacturing and innovation, and we can be a very reliable manufacturing partner, easing off the pressure when you're running in full speed.
To the R&D head, the CTO, who's more interested in the technology and the strategic advantages therein.
Yeah, totally. Yeah. So, with our strong capability in material development, over the years, we have developed the ability to have what I call as predictive innovation. We work with our customers to understand the end market trends. We translate the end market trends into device level or system level trends. And then we translate that system level, device level trends into how does it impact package architectures for semiconductors. And then we further understand, oh, if these are the package architectures that are demanded for to support these new trends, what are the pain points the customers needs to solve? And then in the end, we translate that pain points into material development opportunities. So we kind of like don't wait for the customer to ask for a material, because by that time we are too late to serve the market. So we proactively understand end market trends, translate that into material needs, and have a real conversation with the customer, telling them that, hey, these are the things that we believe you need to solve in your roadmap. Are these right? We have a conversation with the customer. And then we also have huge innovation investments in both wire bond packaging, advanced packaging within our core areas, and also exploration outside of our core. So in that way, we can tickle any innovation mindset by not just serving their current needs, but also addressing their future needs.
Is there any R&D or manufacturing happening in India?
So Henkel is a very big company, and we have many different business units.
Right.
So we have a strong manufacturing presence in India,
Yeah.
and more recently, we have added electronic materials manufacturing capability in India to support our local customers.
So with about 8 to 10 plants, semiconductor plants announced in India, you see India to be a big enough market for brands like Henkel to be excited?
Yeah, 8 to 10 plants. I think that's very exciting for Henkel, because this gives an opportunity for our customers here to focus both on wire bond packaging business opportunity and also advanced packaging business opportunity. And with 8 to 10 plants, that also gives a pretty strong head start for the semiconductor ecosystem in India. And we already see memory manufacturers, OSATs, power semiconductor players, all that having a footprint in India. And our portfolio in Henkel is very well aligned to the products that are being made in India. So yeah, obviously it's a very exciting opportunity for Henkel.
Ram, thank you very much for taking your time. Thank you for sharing all your knowledge and expertise with us and our audience. I hope they have been updated well with respect to what's new in the packaging ecosystem. and the various innovations they can expect from Henkel, right? And if they have any doubts, queries, or feedback, I invite them to post them uh, on our channel, and we'll share them with the Henkel team and get them replied to as soon as possible.
Yeah, again, thank you, Rahul, for having me today. I really appreciate the opportunity to engage with you here and look forward to participating in the semiconductor ecosystem in India. Thank you, everyone.